Hotel check-in.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation. I booked it online a few days ago.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Daniel Brown. B-R-O-W-N.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Let me pull up your reservation.
Sure.
All right, I see it here. You booked a single room for 5 nights.
Yes, that's right.
You'll be checking out on Monday morning. Everything is confirmed.
Perfect. Can I check in now?
Of course. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. I just need to make a quick copy.
No problem.
Do you have any room preferences?
Yes, I'd prefer a higher floor.
Certainly. Anything else?
If possible, I'd like a quiet room.
I understand. Let me check what's available. We have a single room on the 10th floor. It's away from the elevators, so it's very quiet.
That sounds perfect.
Great. I'll assign you room 1018.
Excellent.
Here is your room key. The elevators are just behind you on the left.
Thank you. Could you tell me about breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 to 9:30 on the first floor.
Sounds good. Could I also request a wake-up call at 6:45?
Certainly. I've scheduled it for you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Brown. We hope you enjoy your stay.
At a coffee shop.
Hi, is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's pretty busy today.
Yeah, this place is usually crowded in the afternoon.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like the coffee here.
Me too. The atmosphere is nice.
What did you order?
A cappuccino. How about you?
Just a black coffee. I like it simple.
Same here. I usually don't add sugar.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live a few blocks away.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah, how about you?
I work nearby, so I stop here after work sometimes.
That's nice. It's a good place to relax.
Definitely. It's not too noisy.
Are you working or just taking a break?
Just taking a short break. I needed some quiet time.
I understand. It's been a long day.
It really has. How about you?
Same here. I just wanted to sit down and rest.
Well, this is a good spot for that.
Yes, it is. I'm glad I came.
Me too. It's nice talking with you.
Yeah, enjoy your coffee.
You too. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure. What's the problem?
I think I'm lost. I'm trying to find the city museum.
Oh, the City Museum? It's not very far from here.
That's good to hear. Can you tell me how to get there?
Of course. Are you walking or taking a bus?
I'm walking.
All right. Go straight down this street.
Okay, how long should I walk?
Walk for about 3 blocks.
3 blocks. Got it.
After that, you'll see a big intersection.
What should I do there?
Turn left at the intersection.
Turn left. Is the museum on that street?
Not yet. Keep walking for 1 more block.
All right. What will I see then?
You'll see a park on your right.
A park on my right?
Yes, the City Museum is across from the park.
So it's opposite the park.
Exactly.
Is it easy to recognize?
Yes, it's a large building with glass doors.
Sounds clear. How long will it take to walk there?
About 10 to 15 minutes from here.
That's perfect. Is the museum open now?
Yes, it's open until 6 this evening.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Have a nice day.
At a bus stop.
Hi, do you know if this bus goes downtown?
Yes, it does. It stops near the main square.
Great, thanks.
No problem. Have you been waiting long?
Not really, about 5 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, sometimes it takes much longer.
True, especially during rush hour.
Do you take this bus often?
Almost every day. I use it to get to work.
Oh, I see. Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is close to the city center.
That's convenient.
It really is. How about you?
I'm just going shopping. I don't drive, so I take the bus.
I get that. Public transport is easier sometimes.
Definitely. And you don't have to worry about parking.
Exactly.
The weather is nice today.
Yeah, much better than yesterday.
Yesterday was really cold.
It was. I almost stayed home.
I know what you mean. I'm glad it's warmer today.
Me too.
Do the buses usually come on time?
Most of the time. Sometimes they're a few minutes late.
That's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
Neither am I.
Oh, I think that's our bus.
Yes, it is.
Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day. Ordering pasta at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Is this table okay for you?
Yes, it's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thanks. It's very cozy in here.
I'm glad you like it. Here's the menu. Please take your time.
Thank you. There are so many pasta dishes.
Yes, pasta is our specialty.
What do you recommend today?
Our spaghetti carbonara is very popular. Many guests order it.
That sounds nice. Is it creamy?
Yes, it's made with eggs, cheese, and bacon.
Sounds delicious. Is it very heavy?
Not too heavy, but it's quite filling.
Okay, I think I'll have the carbonara.
Great choice. Would you like regular or large?
Regular is fine.
Would you like to add extra cheese?
Yes, please. I love cheese.
Of course. Anything to drink?
I'll have sparkling water, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Would you like a starter or a side?
Do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a fresh mixed salad.
That sounds good. I'll take one.
Perfect. So that's spaghetti carbonara with extra cheese, a mixed salad, and a large sparkling water.
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Maybe later. I'll decide after the meal.
No problem. The food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Buying headphones. Hi there. Can I help you with anything today?
Yes, I'm looking for noise-canceling headphones.
Sure. Are you looking for over-ear or on-ear?
Over-ear. I want something comfortable.
Then this model might be a good choice. It has active noise cancellation.
Sounds good. What kind of noise does it block?
Mostly background noise, like traffic or people talking.
That's exactly what I need. I travel a lot.
In that case, these are very popular with travelers.
Can I try them on?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, that's much quieter.
Yes, the noise cancellation is turned on.
I can barely hear anything now.
You can also turn it off if you want to hear your surroundings.
That's useful. How long does the battery last?
About 30 hours on a full charge.
That's great. Do they charge with a cable?
Yes, and they also support fast charging.
Nice. Are they comfortable for long use?
Yes, the ear cushions are very soft.
I can tell. They don't feel heavy.
Exactly. Many customers wear them for hours.
Can I connect them to my phone?
Absolutely. They connect by Bluetooth.
Is the connection stable?
Very stable. You won't have any problems.
That's good to know. What about phone calls?
The microphone is built in, so calls are very clear.
Perfect. I think these are what I'm looking for.
Great choice. Would you like to take them?
Yes, please.
I'll get a new pair for you. Please wait a moment.
Sure, thank you.
Making a doctor's appointment. Hello, Central Clinic. This is Alex speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to make an appointment.
Sure. Are you already a patient with us?
No, I'm not.
That's okay. May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Lucy Mason.
Lucy Mason. Thank you. And what's the reason for your visit?
I've been coughing a lot, and my chest feels pretty tight.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long has this been going on?
For about 3 days now.
Okay, let me check our schedule. Are you available tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Would you prefer the morning or the afternoon?
The morning would be better. Do you have anything around 9 or 10?
I can fit you in at 9:30.
That works for me.
Great! I've booked you for tomorrow at 9:30. Please bring your medical card with you.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Bye.
At the doctor's office. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment at 11 with Dr. Brown.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Sarah Johnson.
Great. May I see your insurance card, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you been here before?
Yes, I visited this clinic last year.
Perfect. Did you complete the medical form?
Yes, I filled it out online last night.
Excellent. Please take a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Sarah Johnson, the doctor is ready for you now.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, actually. I've had a sore throat for a few days.
I see. How long has it been exactly?
About 3 days.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I've been feeling very tired, and I have a slight headache.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, yesterday it was around 38 degrees.
Are you coughing at all?
A little, mostly in the morning.
Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes, especially when I wake up.
All right, let me take a look. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Your throat looks red and swollen. It appears to be a throat infection.
Is it serious?
No, but you'll need some medication.
Okay.
I'll prescribe antibiotics. Take them twice a day for 7 days.
Should I take them with food?
Yes, take them after meals and drink plenty of water.
Can I still go to work?
I recommend resting for 2 or 3 days.
All right. Is there anything else I should do?
Gargle with warm salt water 2 or 3 times a day.
All right. When should I start feeling better?
In about 3 to 4 days. If you don't feel better, please call us.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Resetting an email password.
Owen, I can't remember my email password.
Really? Which email account?
My main one. I need to check some important messages.
Is it a work email or personal email?
It's my personal email, but I use it for everything.
Did you try your usual passwords?
Yeah, I tried all the ones I normally use.
What about your birthday or your phone number?
I tried those too. Nothing works.
Maybe you wrote it down somewhere?
I usually do, but I can't find the note.
Are you logged in on your phone?
No, it logged me out yesterday.
Okay. Do you see a forgot password link?
Let me check. Yes, I see it.
Click on that.
All right. Now it's asking me to enter my email address.
Did you get a message?
Not yet. Oh, wait. Yes, I just got it.
What does it say?
It's asking me to answer my security questions.
Do you remember the answers?
I think so. Let me try. Okay. Done.
Did it work?
Yes. Now it's asking me to create a new password.
Make sure it's strong but easy to remember.
Yeah, I'll use something different this time.
And write it down somewhere safe.
Definitely. I don't want to do this again.
Good idea. Is everything working now?
Yes, I'm logged in.
Great!
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Anytime. Asking for time off.
Excuse me, do you have a few minutes?
Sure. What's up?
I wanted to talk to you about taking some time off.
Okay. How many days are you thinking about?
I'd like to take 3 days off next week.
All right. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I just need some time to take care of a personal matter.
I see. Which days would that be?
From Wednesday to Friday.
Have you checked your workload for that week?
Yes, I've already planned my tasks and made sure everything is covered.
That's good. Who will handle things while you're away?
I've spoken with Julia, and she'll take care of anything urgent.
Perfect. Thank you for arranging that in advance.
Of course, I wanted to make sure there are no delays.
Will you be reachable during your time off?
I'll be offline during my leave. If anything urgent comes up, please let me know.
That sounds reasonable.
I'll also leave a short handover note before I go.
That would be helpful.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. You can take those days off.
Great. I really appreciate it.
Just make sure everything is up to date before Wednesday.
Absolutely. I'll finish everything before I leave.
All right then. Enjoy your time off.
Thank you very much.